recent episode of Map TV just to show you one quick thing, and that is there's two different ways that you can export a project once you're done with the edit. One of those ways is the easiest way, and it's this little icon up here in the upper right hand corner. If you hover over it, it'll say quick export, and when you click on that, you'll get this. And it's very similar to starting a project. You have this, which you really do not need to change. 1920 by 1080p, 29 frames per second, stereo sound. That's going to be kind of our default. There's no need to change it. What you do need to change is you need to know where it's going to go and what it's called. And that's file name and location, just like when we started the project. So I'm going to click on that link, the blue link, before I hit the blue export button so that I know where it's going. Then I will see a dialog box here. And again, it's very similar to what we did. So I'm going to pretend like this is the project that we're working on for workflow. I'm going to save it there. So I'm just going to call it the same name, or I might just say workflow. So let's say period 1, workflow, JSON English, and I'm going to make sure that it goes into that same folder, so that's where it ends up. P1. Where did it go? Slow down right there. Once I see these two align where I want it to go, I can hit save, and then it changes right there so that it knows again where it's going, and then I hit export. And once that is done, it's going to take a little bit longer than I had hoped because it's a long piece. That file, since I told it where to go, is going to end up in my folder. And so you probably can see that it's starting, and it's an MP4. This is what you want to turn in. When this is finished, this is the finished movie. This is just a blueprint. So be sure that whenever you turn in a final product, it is the MP4 and not the PROJ file. That's it. Oh, sorry, the backup method. If that doesn't work, I'm going to go ahead and cancel here, just because I don't want to wait 4 minutes to finish this video. The backup method is File, Export, Media, or Apple M for a keyboard shortcut. You get a similar dialog box with a lot more options, but again, none of this is anything you need to change except for the blue link, and basically it's the same flow. So once you've set that, it'll change there. You hit export, and that's your backup way of getting a project that you've edited out so that you can turn it in. That's it.